guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. You know I love you all. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and try this wig. You remember this wig I got from Amazon, and yeah, when I did my unboxing, the things I got from Amazon. So I want to try it on. I'm going to remove this, but before then I want to show you how this one looks. So in the pack is written KALYSS. This is the wig cap, but I have one, so I'm going to do with the one I have. So this one looks like this. This is AFRO wig. I'm going to go ahead and remove the hairnet. So it looks like this. It has band here, and it has another one kind of strap here. It has another one here. I think you just put them together, and then it has about 2 combs. It has 2 combs, so this one and then this one. So yeah, only 2 combs. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Ooh. I'm going to use my brush and see if I can make it big. I like my afro big. I'm going to That's cool. Now this is Amazon wig. Is this Amazon best afro wig? Not yet. I'm just going to turn my back. I'll show you. Let me know what you think. I think it's not bad. I think it's cool. I like my hair that's huge, so yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Although I would have loved that is a bit full. Like I would have loved that is fuller than this. Like it looks full, but I would have loved, like, if you touch it you'll see like enough hair. But if I do like this, it feels like it's huge but it's a bit empty, even though like you need to feel it to know what I'm actually talking about. But other than that, it looks cool. So yeah, Let me know what you all think. Let me know if you like it. It's not bad. It's not too bad for $24.99. I'm not even going to cut anything, because if I cut, I'm actually reducing the wig. So instead of trimming anything, you just use your fingers to put it inside, because it's afro and it is going to stay. So if you get this wig, I won't advise you to trim up, unless you feel like it's big for you. But for me, it's cool. It's cool, but I would have loved it to be a bit fuller than this. Other than that, that's cool. It feels light. It doesn't even feel like, you can't tell you have something on your hair. I'm telling you, it feels so light. Forgot to say, it feels so light. It feels super light. For me, I would have loved more hair in, as I said. Other than that, it's cool. So yeah, we've come to the need to come close. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like it. I got it from Amazon, $24.99. Yeah, if you like it, give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.